The U.S. has struck Venezuela and captured its president, Nicolas Maduro, who has been taken out of the country. U.S. President Donald Trump said on Saturday. Earlier, explosions, loud noises and columns of smoke were heard and seen in the Venezuelan capital, Caracas, in the early hours of Saturday, and southern area of the city near a major military base was without electricity. A video showed multiple blasts lighting up the night sky, followed by loud explosions and columns of smoke rising. Meanwhile, a huge naval and aerial presence has been established in the Caribbean, including the aircraft carrier USS Gerald R. Ford and other warships. The US has not made such a direct intervention in Latin America since the invasion of Panama in 1989 to depose military leader Manuel Noriega. There was no immediate confirmation from the Venezuelan government. The US has accused Maduro of running a narco state and rigging an election. The Venezuelan leader who succeeded Hugo Chavez to take power in 2013 has said Washington wants to take control of its oil reserves, the largest in the world. US President Donald Trump announced in a social media post on Saturday that President Maduro has been captured after the United States carried out a large-scale strike against the country. Maduro and his wife have been captured and flown out of the country, Trump said in his post on social media website Truth Social. Donald Trump added he would give a news conference at about 1600 GMT at his Mar-a-Lago residence in Florida, where he is nearing the end of two-week Christmas and New Year's vacation. Meanwhile, Venezuela's Defense Minister Vladimir Padrino has said that they will resist the presence of foreign troops. As President Donald Trump said, Venezuelan President Maduro has been captured and has been removed from the country.